Hi everybody, it's week 2 and your week 2 paper is going to be due on Sunday. I have been getting some questions about it, so I just wanted to kind of just clarify the assignment a little bit more. So you're doing the first submission for your pre-formal analysis, and if you look at the assignment prompt, it has a series of questions that you need to answer, and the series of questions, the first 9 questions, are really referring to the readings for this week. So you'll be reading a short guide to writing about art, and that will be the second chapter you'll be reading in that book, and so you'll want to refer to both chapters in this assignment. You'll also be reading Art History Introduction, so Stockstad text, the introduction, and then also Moranchi's A Survival Guide for Art History Students, and the readings for that are available in on the references page of our course. And so this should be an essay format. Even though it is a series of questions, it should be still paragraph, essay, all cohesive, one piece of text. And make sure that when you are answering the questions that you are referring to the readings and that you're also citing the readings. So make sure that you put in-text citations, footnotes for everything that you take from the readings, as well as a bibliography on this essay. Now, part 2 of the assignment, which you can just have in the same document, is an outline for the formal analysis you will be writing. So, you know, I'm sure you all did outlines in high school. You're going to want to just outline each and every paragraph you're going to be including in your essay, and do a little short, statement about what's going to be in that paragraph, and a few bullet points of some points you're going to bring up in each paragraph. And that outline should include your introduction and your conclusion as well. And also have your thesis statement. So if you remember, writing essays in the past, you have a very clear statement that is usually located in the introduction of your paper that states what you'll be discussing and or arguing in your paper, in your formal analysis. And do remember that the formal analysis is a research paper. You do actually have to argue something about the piece, so just identify what you plan to argue about the piece, or what you plan to prove through your paper, and make your thesis statement very clear as to what you're going to be proving and or arguing in your paper. Just remember that a thesis statement is not a question. It should be a statement about what you'll be presenting in the paper. And it's kind of like, that you're not writing fiction, you're writing an academic paper, so give away the ending. Give away what you plan to prove in the paper in the thesis statement in the introduction. And then just make sure that you're also including your image of your piece, just as you did in your formal description, and make sure that you cite that correctly as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Good luck writing the paper. It is due on Sunday. It does have to be in Microsoft Word format as well. There is always a way to save in Microsoft Word format. If you have Pages or if you're using Google Docs and you can't figure it out, Google it. There are tutorials all over the place on how to save in those different pieces of software into Microsoft Word. So make sure you save it as Microsoft Word. Make sure you submit it into the submission area. And please let me know if you have any questions. And just remember, this has to be on the same exact piece that you did your formal description on.